child is adventure and limitless imagination. In a magical world, a child has a best friend with a kind and mighty dragon. They fly through the sky, ride the white cloud, and roam the world. Let's discover the magic in our own, together with your best friend in this intellection, Draco Flaps. In detail, the swings in manifest through these three adventure aspects. The dragon. The dragon is a symbol of luck and strength in China's mythology. The concept of the main shape is taken from the interpretation of the shape, the boat. The boat is the primary vessel for sea-bound exploration. A unique swing emerges as a sanctuary, an adrenaline catalyst, and a boundless adventure storytelling creator. Children brimming with boundless imagination. This swing is a visual of manifestation of inaccessible childlike imagination. Mechanical swings and wings movement. This swings movement is supported by structural and mechanical innovation from the concept of the relationship between bamboo, iron, and bearing. This swing is moved by the user feet or by creating a pulling and pushing force on the swings. When the swing begins to move forward and backward, the wings on the back also flap with the connection of bamboo and ironing bearing. Now, let's open the shower path through Draco Flaps. Let's let your adventure and imagination fly with Draco Flaps.